Hello, I'm Daniela. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a quilter's knot. It's a short video. It's a very easy and reliable knot to make. The reason I show so many knots, and I have a video with 3 additional knots for hand sewing, I'll link that below. But the reason that I show videos on how to create knots is because really the knots are very personal to the artist who is using them. You want to find the one that works for you, the one that's most comfortable. And you don't have to keep it at just one. You can use all of them if you like, or additional methods for knot making. The knot is very crucial in hand sewing. Without a solid foundation, whether it be a knot or a loop, all your stitches will come undone. So you want to make sure that you have a knot that you can use. And if you're somebody who stitches frequently, you want to have a quick and easy and very reliable method to creating those knots. So let me just show you the traditional quilter's knot.
Now to make the quilter's knot, it's a beautiful, reliable knot. It can be used for any technique, from applique to hand quilting to sewing. It's really quite beautiful. You want to thread your needle, just like normal, and then you're going to take your needle and point it in one direction, and you'll have the end of your thread in your other hand. You want to pinch the end of your needle between your thumb and your forefinger, and then you're going to point that end of the thread right there the same way. And then I'm just going to grip it and put it inside that area that I pinched. From there, I'm going to wrap my thread around 2 or 3 times. You can even go an extra time. And I slide all those loops down and pinch those as well. Now I want them to be taut, but not super tight. You can even switch hands if you want. And from there, I just slide that needle out with the thread, and it just pulls this beautiful, reliable knot on the end. And now you're ready to sew with it.
So that's a quick and easy way to make a quilter's knot. It's called a quilter's knot because quilters use it because they can sandwich it between the layers of the quilt, and the knot is hidden in between the padding, the backing, and the front of the quilt. Now, quilter's knots can be used for any technique, applique, hand sewing, anything you can come up with really. It's just a method for creating that really tight and solid knot. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. Thanks for joining me today.